Hi, I'm gonna share how to make perfect iced matcha latte. I have tried heaps of matcha latte both in Japan and Australia, and this is the one I like the most. I hope you will like it too. I want you to know that matcha has so many different grades from culinary grade to ceremonial grade. It will taste amazing when you use a high grade one. It's naturally sweet and rich in umami flavor. But having said that, it is hard to find a good matcha and you don't wanna waste your money, right? I'm gonna make another video about matcha which can buy in Australia very soon. So stay tuned. And that's okay if you don't have a matcha bowl. You can use bowl or some sort of huge mugs. But please prepare chasen tea whisk. If you prefer sweet matcha latte, then please pre-mix matcha and sugar before adding hot water. Or if you use honey or maple syrup, then you can pour over your matcha latte at the end. You need to shift your matcha before you use. It's easy to melt. And be relaxed is the key. You don't need to use your strength while making matcha. You can snap your wrist, that's all. I make bold matcha about in 30 seconds because I want to serve nice and hot. It is the same way to make traditional matcha. And also don't forget to warm up your chasen whisk. If not, it's easy to break bamboo sticks. Okay, once you made matcha, please pour your preferred milk. I use a happy soy boy. And gently pour matcha over ice cubes. It looks nicer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.